So I'd like to talk about our final drawing project. As you can see on the syllabus, the date that we need to start talking about it is today, and I will be showing you shortly the specifications and some samples of final project drawings done in the past. Once you take a look at that, you need to start thinking about what it is you're going to draw. And then in 2 weeks from today, on November 3rd, you're going to need to commit to something and show me what it is you're going to draw. Now, the slideshow to follow will have all the specifications as far as how you're going to do that. Once I approve it, it is up to you. It's like an independent project to get started on that. Now, we haven't learned at that point. We haven't learned about everything in the course. You still have some important lessons that you'll need to actually complete that final project. But absolutely, this is not something you can start and finish on the week before, the night before, and expect to do any kind of justice. So once you are approved, you should be working during the weeks along to get this thing started and going. Okay, so that on class meeting 10, which is December 1st, and it'll be here before you know it, you need to have that finished and you need to have that emailed to me. Okay, that is 10% of your final grade, and that is a lot. That's enough to raise up your average or bring it down should you not do well on that. And I hope that's not going to be the case. I want that done and in my hands so you can then concentrate your efforts on studying for the final exam. Okay, so that's a little projection ahead of the final project. So let me switch on over and describe what it is I expect of you with this final project. Okay, so again, it's 10% of your final grade, and the specifications are as follows. I want you to choose something that you're interested in, right? All semester long, I am providing the assignments. Now here's a chance for you to choose something you are interested in. The subject matter can be architectural, it can be mechanical, civil, landscape, woodworking, hobbies that you do. That's your call. The only thing that I will not approve is a floor plan. And my reasons for that is I hope you'll stay with us and take CAD 2 in the spring. When we start doing 3D drawings, we're going to have a specific software that is just for floor plans, and it'll make the process much easier. You will have an assignment later on in the semester that will be of a floor plan, but trust me, if you take CAD 2, there'll be a much easier process. Okay, but other than that, you come to me with something that you're interested in. Typically, these final drawings make good portfolio pieces for you to show prospective employer or college down the road to transfer to, and this reflects your knowledge in putting everything together in the course. I have to approve this, so you're going to have to show me what it is that you're drawing. Now, how are you going to show me this? You have to show me research, pictures, screenshots, Google sites, sketches, text descriptions. What I will not accept is you just communicating to me on a live WebEx session saying, I'm going to draw this and it looks like that and it's going to be that. I don't even want to hear it. I need you to email me something. I shouldn't have to talk to you to know what it is that you're going to give me. Okay, so you need to do research, and trust me, you have an idea and what it has to have. And I'm going to come back to this, but so the sheet size can be your C size template, or we can go larger. Okay, if you think you want it to be bigger, you can do that, and we'll cross that bridge when you come to it. But I can easily show you how to go to a larger sheet size. The finished product must have at least overall dimensions, and it's not just a picture. So this is what I was about to say. In your research, you have to find some dimensional information. Trust me, it is not easy to create a drawing of a building, of something that's you've got a lot of detail in it just from a picture. You need to have sizes, okay? And therein lies where some of the research might be a little difficult. It's out there. You just have to spend the time to find it, okay? So you may not easily find dimensional information, but keep at it. Trust me, it's there. You just have to leave no stone unturned in Google. Okay. Your finished drawing must also contain a brief description of the object. If it's a historical building, tell me what year it was built, how many stories, if it's a tall building, where is it located? Give me interesting facts. Okay? You don't have to go crazy, but think of this. If you were to hang this on the wall and somebody walked up and just saw a picture of a building, you're leaving them short with, what. Try to answer the questions: who, what, where, when. Give this thing a story behind it. Okay, so that information will be in layout space. So that'll be usually one of the last things you do. You get your drawing done, you get it positioned in layout space, and then you add the text around it. And remember, text should not exceed an 1/8 inch. You might want to put a title at the top of it, maybe a 1/4 inch tops. All right. So again, we can talk about that more when you're at that point. When you're all done, you will need to email me the drawing file and a PDF file by the due date. Okay, and I just showed you on the syllabus the due date. Okay, so that's it in the nutshell. What I'm going to do now, right, is I'm going to show you example of past CAD 1 student drawings. Okay, so this is just a mini slideshow, and these are drawings that have been done by former students. Okay, so that's a pretty good variation of different subjects. And again, hopefully you'll choose something that you're interested in. And I'm going to need to see that research and evidence in 2 weeks. Okay, so that's all.